Use chopsticks. Chopsticks are two thin sticks, usually made of wood, used by many Oriental cultures as our fork. Learning how to use them is not as difficult as it seems, but you are going to need a lot of practice and patience. Separate the chopsticks. If you got them in a restaurant, they may be attached. Pick one of the sticks, place it between your thumb base and your ring finger, keep it steady with your middle finger. The thinnest part is to grab the food. Pick up the other stick, hold it with your forefinger and your thumb. Try to keep both sticks lined up. Move only the upper stick. You will use your forefinger to handle the stick. Chopsticks work like tongs. How to build a mechanical chopstick. If you're not quite ready for the real deal, you can create mechanical chopsticks to practice with. You'll need chopsticks, paper, elastic. Separate the chopsticks. Take a piece of paper. This could be the paper that the chopsticks come in, or a napkin of 2 cm x 10 cm. Roll or fold it. Keep the chopsticks side by side. Put the paper in the upper part, where the chopsticks are attached, and keep it still. Take the elastic, and wrap it twice under the paper and several times around, until the elastic is taut. Quick tips: it's easier to hold the chopsticks in the middle. Hold it like this to practice.